Greetings to respected Madam Sir. I'm Pavan Sai, a second year CSC AIML student from the section C. Today I'll be presenting on operating systems by using virtual Linux servers. We'll be exploring what virtual Linux servers are and how they are set up, managed and monitored, and the key benefits of virtualization in modern computing. So operating systems using virtual Linux servers, the advanced and implementation strategies of virtual Linux servers. This presentation explores the concepts of virtual Linux servers, focusing on their fundamental roles in modern computing environments. We'll be outlining their key benefits, implementations, strategies, and practical applications to enhance optimizational efficiency and resource management. So, virtual Linux servers are software-based servers running on virtual machines rather than physical hardware. Linux is widely used based on scalability, open source nature, and compatibility, and most virtualized platform. Virtual servers allows multiple operating system instances to run independently on same hardware. So, introduction to virtual Linux servers. Virtual Linux servers are software-based environments that allows multiple operating systems instances to run on a single physical server. These serves facilitate efficient resources, utilizing isolation and enhance flexibility in deploying applications and servers across various environments. So, a Linux server is a virtual instance of a Linux operating system running on Hyper-V, and the purpose is virtual servers helps in efficient utilization of hardware, isolation between application, easy management, scalability, and reduce the cost of maintaining multiple physical servers. The key benefits of visualization. The key benefits of visualization includes uh, reduced hardware cost, increasing scalability, and improved disaster recovery. Virtual Linux servers are enabled rapid provision of resource, better load balancing, and simplified management, leading to enhanced operational efficiency in information technology infrastructures. So visualization offers several benefits like cost saving on hardware and maintenance, flexibility and scalability to increase or to decrease resources as needed, easy backup and recovery of a virtual machine, safe and isolated environment for testing and development. The common use case. Virtual Linux servers are widely used in various scenarios, including application development and testing, cloud computing, infrastructure, and web hosting. They allows business to efficiently run multiple applications on a single hardware, set up optimization resources. Additionally, these servers play a crucial role in develop DevOps practices, enabling continuous integration and deployment overflow. So, virtual Linux servers are widely used for web hosting and cloud services, development and testing environments, training labs for student and professional, server consolidation to reduce hardware footprint. So managing and configuration. Managing of virtual servers includes user management to control access, resource allocation such as CPU, central processing unit, memory such as RAM sticks, and the storage SSD or HDD or NVMe. We can also use M.2. Security configuration includes firewall and permissions, keeping VMs updated and patched for reliability. Setting up virtual machines involves choosing a Hyper-V, configuring hardware resources, and installing the Linux operating system. different hypervisions such as VMware or KVM, offering unique features. Understanding the underlying hardware support with the resources allocated in the key to optimize VM performance while ensuring efficient utilization of physical servers. Well, to set up a virtual machine, we choose a hypervision like MWare, VirtualBox, or KVM. Installing a Linux distribution on the VM, configure the VM storage memory, and the process creates a virtual environment that behaves like a separate physical server of operating system when we are setting up a virtual machine. And network configuration ensures that your virtual machine can communicate efficiently with the host system and external network. Types of virtual networks adapters are NAT, address translation. VM shares host ID for internet access. Bridget, VM get its own IP on the network. Host only VM communications only with the host. Assisting IP address and routing ensures connectivity and for services and applications. Firewall and security settings protects VM from unauthorized access. Example, configured web servers on a VM required correct network setup so user can access it from other devices. Network configuration for virtual Linux serves it is vital for maintaining connectivity, security, and performance. Key elements include configuring virtual switches, network interface, and firewall setting, properly managing IP address, and applying virtual LAN VLANs can enhance traffic management and security within virtualized environment. The performance monitoring techniques, monitoring the performance of virtual Linux servers, including using tools to track CPU, memory, and disk usage. Key techniques include setting up alerts for resource threshold, utilizing monitoring software like NAG and or Zabbix, and analyzing performance data to identify the bot bottleneck bottlenecks, regular performance assignments, ensuring optimal operation of server environment. So Linux communication for monitoring a top or HTOP, monitor CPU and memory usage in real time. So VM stat see system performance statistics. iOS stat monitor disks IO, I mean input output performance. NetStat checks network activities and connections. So identity bottleneck high CPUs or manage memory usage may indicate a need for resource adjustment. Optimization adjusting by allocating resources or limited background servers for better performance. So conclusion, to summarize the key concepts, virtual Linux servers provide flexibility, efficient and insulate environment. These are essential for development and testing and production. Proper setup, network configurations and performing monitor maximize their efficiency. Virtual hardware cost by reducing them, and simple management and ensuring scalability. Thank you for your attention. I hope the presentation gave you the clear understanding of virtual Linux servers and their importance.